Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Add few drops of lemon juice and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil in a bowl. Mix them together. Apply the mixture onto the affected area with a clean cotton swab. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash off with cool water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times in a week. You can also add few drops of honey and rose water to this mixture. This will help to calm down the itching sensation due to lemon. Lemon juice has the same bleaching properties that can slowly reduce dark brown spots, brightens the complexion, and acts as an astringent and removes excess oils and dirt from the skin. You can also use lemon juice with some other ingredients, like a combination of lemon juice, turmeric powder and milk, to remove dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Turmeric enhances the skin's complexion and brightens it. You can easily make your skin spot-free with this remedy, as this herb has depigmenting agents that even out the skin tone. Do not go outdoors in direct sunlight with lemon juice on the face, as it may enhance the skin's sensitivity and cause unwanted burning. If you experience side effects, stop using it. You can also use a mixture of coconut oil and lemon juice to reduce dark spots. The antioxidants present in coconut oil reduce the damage caused by sunlight and pollution, and help in the easy shedding of dark, pigmented skin. Coconut oil also moisturizes the skin and hydrates it. Vitamin E boosts the production of collagen, that is responsible for maintaining skin elasticity. Vitamin E also contains antioxidants that neutralize the effects of free radicals caused by ultraviolet radiation, thus soothing sunburns. These antioxidants reduce free radical damage that may have resulted in the hyperpigmentation leading to dark spots. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.